What the heck?
Hey you!
Who, me?
Yeah, you!
Why don't you play with your friends?
Because it's boring outside.
It's not boring. Here, I'll show you.
Whoa, what the heck? Where am I? Hey, it's you again. Hey, what am I doing here?
Well, first I want to show you how you cannot be bored outside by playing some football.
Oh, gee!
Well, that was kind of fun, but now I want to go home. Hold on. We're going somewhere else. Time to play some soccer. Soccer ball, please. Oh. Come on. What the heck didn't go in the air? Isn't this fun?
Yeah.
Does that hurt?
Yes.
So it's not fun?
No.
This is kind of cool. I should come out more often. Okay. I think you learned your lesson. Time to go home. How the heck am I supposed to get home?
Whoa, what the heck? I'm already back?
What a transformation to take a walk outside. There's a change.
You know what? I'm gonna go outside.
And if I stretch up high, I can touch the sky. I'll stay in the sunshine. I can do anything I wanna do.
I'm gonna shoot some basketball.
You can do
You know what? I think I learned my lesson. I'm gonna be outside more often.